Hello everyone, my name is Art from ARtLights. In this video I want to show you how to create a bounce effect inside of a phaser. I have some beams here and I want to create a bounce effect over these beams. I use the dimmer attribute, but you can do it with any attribute. Let's check, for example, one of these lights. The first step, this light is off until the bounce effect gets here. Then this light goes on for a short time. Then the light goes off again and the bounce effect goes on until the end and goes back up till here, and then it goes on again a second time. And finally it will be off again when the effect goes here. So we're going to use 5 steps. In step 1 we have our dimmers closed. Then in the next step we have our dimmers open. Again we have our dimmers closed in the third step. That is when it goes all the way to the end and goes back. After that we will open our dimmers again. And finally it will be closed when our effect is running in these fixtures. So we have a step 5 with our dimmers closed here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make it real slow. So I'm going to set the overall speed of this effect to 20 BPM. So this is going to nice and slowly, the fixtures are going on and off again. Now I'm going to go through the phaser steps, and what I want to see here is the white of each phaser step. So I go to the white here and I go to step 1 and I'm going to change the white of step 1. Well, the first fixture will have a white here of 0 because it goes on instantly, and the last fixture 50% of our phaser. So we set here the white 0 through 50%. Then we're ready. I've got a nice curve here and our fixture is going over that curve. So now in our next step, that will be the time the fixtures are on. Like I said, that will be a short time. So I want this white to be just 10% for all fixtures the same time, because all fixtures will be on the same time. The third step now is when it goes all the way there and goes all the way back. So for our first fixture, that is almost all the effect. And the last fixture, when it comes there, it goes on straight away. So that's nothing, 0. That means that we will have a time here from 100 through 0, a white. That is our white from 100 to 0. Now we go to the next step, and that's again the time that the fixtures are on for the second time. So we put here 10%, the same as step 2. Finally, our fixtures, when they come back, they should wait a different time each fixture. The first fixture will go on straight away and the last fixture will wait like 50% plus the 50 we give in the beginning. So in step 5 we will have 0 through 50% again. And with that we create a bounce effect. But it doesn't really look like a bounce effect, does it? This is why we have to synchronize. So we have to shut off our sync and put it on again. And now our fixtures are doing a bounce from the left to the right and back again to the left.